flame grilled stacker, saucy, big king taste you love.
Emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune to channel 5 for further details. Thank you.
This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WABC 7. We will continue to serve the New York City metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information.